Madam Speaker. My colleagues in the House of Representatives, I greet you a pleasant day. Diyos maray na aga po sa Inugabos. Thank you for allowing me the honor to welcome our friends from the Department of Interior and Local Government and its attached agencies. I have the distinct opportunity to prove why the DILG family's 285,472,810,000 peso budget for fiscal year 2026 is a strategic investment which will yield maximum social impact for our Filipino taxpayers. Under the steady leadership of Secretary John Vic Remulla, the DILG has maintained its stature and composure amid complex challenges. His unwavering commitment to integrity, transparency, and inclusive governance has guided the department through its usually turbulent waters with clarity and conviction. Secretary Remulla has championed the virtues of accountability, subsidiarity, and citizen empowerment, ensuring that every reform is not only top-down, but community-driven, which is important in view of the DILG's general supervision over 82 provinces, 149 cities, 1,493 towns, and 42,011 barangays in the Philippines. This is certainly no small feat, Madam Speaker. Let me begin with a simple truth. Everything is local. The strength of our republic is measured not just in the national headlines, but in the quiet resilience of our barangays, the innovations of our towns and cities, and the leadership of our provinces. The DILG is not just a department, it is the nerve center of our country's local resilience. Over the past year, the DILG and its attached agencies have upheld excellence in local governance, strengthened peaceful, orderly, safe, and secure communities, reinforced resilient communities, and enabled inclusivity among our local governments. These are not isolated wins. They are systemic gains. They reflect a department that is not only reactive, but reformative, not only present, but future-ready. But responsiveness without resources is a recipe for stagnation. If we expect the DILG to modernize governance, secure our communities, and empower LGUs, then we must equip it accordingly. Let us not forget, everything is local. And if this Congress failed to invest in the local, we fail the nation. Thank you, Madam Speaker. This representation is ready to defend the budget of the Department of Interior and Local Government and attached agencies, and ready to answer queries from our colleagues.
Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker.